Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn Instagram feed from Magento 2. So I have choose one extension, that is Mage Plaza, right? So I'm going to install that extension. So let's begin the tutorial. Here we have to go to the GitHub. Where is GitHub? I think GitHub should be there. It is very anonymous. Okay, we can go to Instagram feed for Magento 2 and get the GitHub link. Mage Plaza. So here we are going to the GitHub Niche Plaza, right? So we are going to add this extension. So this is extension path. Go to the folder. So here we have the folder now. Let's put this command composer Instagram feed. This is installation. Extension is installing and it's done. Now what we have to do right now, set up upgrade and content to deploy. Then we have to go for the deployment. This is done. Let's go to the admin panel. Okay, let's go to the stores configuration. So Niche Plaza extension, Instagram feed. So let's go to the journal, enable, yes. User token we need to add. This rest of the functionality is okay. Get the use select yes to enable this module, assist developer Facebook account to create the application free raffle link. Okay, so we are going to assess the token. Get started. Before you start, you will need to Facebook developer account and Instagram account for media, GitHub page, hero postman, create, click on my apps. Let's use this app. APS is deactivated to inactivity. Restore access. Okay, let's go to the Instagram basic display. Create new app on the Instagram. Create app. You must create a new Instagram basic display special app. When naming your app, please avoid Instagram branding violation. Okay. Um, Magento, right? Create app. Instagram ID, Instagram Magento to validate client auth settings, actions, user token generator. Generate long like tokens for Instagram testers of this app. Tokens can be generated with public Instagram accounts refer to this. Okay, save changes. add. When you are on the Facebook, enter the username. So, administrator. No, I want to add testers. We are trying to move all the admins to different roles. Must click this one admin. Test users. Six. Advanced. Image Plaza. This you need to choose this multiple rows, elements. Select page. Okay. Now the issue is with the Instagram account. Facebook rules. Add Instagram testers. Okay. My Instagram ID is settings. Where we have this number, apps and websites, manage Excel. We have not had any applications. We need this privacy and login. Apps. This is my application. Roles. Test users. Create test users. One test users. Add Instagram testers. Add Instagram tester. Enter the username. Rajni. E. Using this, let's check if it's working or not. Submit. It's from the money apps and website section. Check the section apps and website section. Tester invites. Accept. Okay. Now this is remote. to the settings, basics. I hope we are able to get the token. First. Where we are at this section, configuration, user token. So what it says, Instagram user authorization of getting the face tokens. Authorization authorization codes can be exchanged Instagram user has been included. Authorize, accept sources. User access token will be getting from this profile, I guess, but here we don't have the token right now. Here is the token. I know where the generate token. This is the token. Now it is giving me the token. Then I will pass it, and then it will show my all medium profile. Okay, so this is changes are saved. Let me paste this link over here. And configuration and this is done. Cache the flush. Go to the content pages or go to the widgets. It's basically a widget. Add widget. Mage Plaza Instagram. Click on simple. Continue. Layouts. Where you want to lay all products. Okay. So this is done. Let's to the content. Save. So let's flush the cache and check. And the callback URL is still pending. Let's check if it is working or not. So I think it's not working. F12 and console log. We go to content widgets, content widgets, latest, all pages, and content save, fresh. See, this is my Instagram part. Instagram data is coming right now, and if we open this, so it will go to this part, right? So this is I have added, and on all pages it will coming right. On the pages it will come right. So let me open the contact us. See, images are coming up now right now. So this is how you can configure the Instagram very well. Just what the steps I have followed, you need to follow all that steps and change the settings accordingly that the Mitch Plaza extension has given us. So what the extension settings they have: stores, configuration, they have Mitch Plaza, Instagram feed, and here we have maximum multiple rows, number of rows, show caption, show pop-up. If you want to show pop-up, yes, multiple rows or single rows, you can use this and just do the configurations. Okay, so let's reload this and see what's happening. Now the pop-up is coming, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand how to embed any kind of Instagram accounts over there using this extension. Please do like, share and comment. Have a great day.